Hi guys, I'm Anita from Anita's Cake Bakery. Today I'll be reviewing this knife set by Wanbasion, which is the perfect addition to your kitchen. This knife set comes with 16 pieces, including scissors, peeler, the acrylic block, and this knife sharpener. These high quality stainless steel knives are made with a blue titanium coating which is resistant to scratches and corrosion. These fabulous knives are also stain and rust resistant. As a baker, I found that I only use a few items from this set in particular. This 8-inch bread knife with the serrated edge is perfect for slicing through your cakes. It's so sharp and it's easy to glide through. The 3.5-inch paring knife, this for me is perfect for using when I'm cutting through fondant when using the mould. So I use this for when I'm cutting off excess fondant on my moulds like this. It just glides through so smooth and easily. We've got the 5-inch utility knife, which I use for cutting through fondant. It's really sharp and it gives you the perfect and neat cut every time. Next, we've got the 8-inch carving knife. This knife is perfect for slicing through your cakes. So this knife in particular I would use for cutting my cakes. Next we've got some scissors. These are really sharp, slightly serrated blade on one side and then the other side is smooth. So when you're cutting greaseproof paper, which I do quite often, these scissors are really handy for that. It just glides through the paper and it cuts really easily and really neatly. In addition to this set, we've got the 7-inch Santoku knife, the 8-inch chef knife, and this set also comes with 6 steak knives. If your knives ever start to get dull, you've got your sharpener here, which is perfect for keeping your knives perfect and pristine. Just glide it across like this and you'll end up with the perfect sharp edge on your knife. Great for using in your kitchen. And this set also comes with your peeler. And the 4 knives that are remaining are just steak knives. So you get 6 steak knives in total, which is the perfect addition to your set. So thank you for watching this review today. I hope you found it beneficial seeing what some of these knives can do. Obviously I couldn't review all of them because I wouldn't use them all in my kitchen as a baker. Hopefully you will find a use for them. You'll see for yourself how brilliant these knives are. If you'd like to purchase these knives for yourself, the link will be in the description box below, and there'll also be a discount code for you to use on your purchase. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe and share with your friends so they can benefit from this offer, your Wanbasion 16-piece knife set. Thank you and look forward to seeing you again soon. Take care, bye.